Hello children. In the previous class, we have completed our first lesson, right? You all heard it, right? Yes, all listen it, okay? While reading, put your finger on each and every line, okay? Okay, now here we have glossary. See, ANXIOUSLY, anxiously. What is anxiously? See, here you have its meaning, with worry and concern. See, what are these ADV, ADJ, NV? You already know parts of speech, right? So anxiously is what? Adverb. Yes. Now, caked. This is adjective. Its meaning is hardened. Lush, growing thick and healthy. Prosperous, rich. Ganji, rice soup or ambali. Ganji you all know, right? Yes. The liquid which we get after cooking rice, it is ganji, right? Yes. Fetched, brought. Yes. Here we have question answers, right? We will go for it later. Come on now, look at this second bit. The people from Siripuram had a lot of self-respect. Tick the actions of the villagers which support this quality. Okay, yes or no? Siripuram people had a lot of self-respect, right? Yes. Yes, Siripuram people are not poor. They work very hard, right? But due to the drought, they left their village and they traveled to some other village. So here, first one. For 3 years, they worked hard and waited for the rains. Yes or no? Yes. So here, tick it. Tick it with me. Okay, along with me. Okay. Open your textbooks and write whatever I write in these boxes. Okay, now second one. Women went to far off places in search of water. Yes or no? Here in Gopana's wife Sita, you all remember, right? She went to far off places, no? In search of water. Yes, so it is correct. So tick correct. Tick. Then third one. They wanted to earn their food but not to beg. Yes or no? They wanted to work. They wanted to work hard, and in return of payment, they want some food from that Shantinagar village, right? Yes. So it is a right sentence. Then fourth one. They decided to leave their village. Yes or no? Due to drought, they don't have any work there. They don't have water, food. Yes or no? They don't have even water to drink, their cattle, everything. So they wanted the head of that village decided to leave their village. Yes, tick yes. They promised that they would return to their village if the living conditions were improved. Yes, at the end, when that town head said them to stay, what they decided? If God is willing, we will return to our village soon. Yes or no? So it is tick. Yes. Now turn the page. Turn the page. Next, open the page number 44. Okay. See here. The villagers of Siripuram carried many things with them on carts. Carts to the town. Write the names of any 4 of them. Yes, while they were leaving their village, they brought their belongings with them, right? So from those belongings, we have to write any 4 of them. Okay? Think and tell me. How can you tell? Okay, right. The first one is they brought clothes with them, right? Right here. Along with me, write along with me, okay? CLOTHES. 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 Next, what did they bring with them? Furniture. 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 Next, guess. Yes, Pots. Pots. Then pants. 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 Yes. Right. See, clothes, furniture, pots, and pants. Yes. Okay, children, we already listed this four things which they carried in their carts, right? Okay, now go for the second thing. See here. Now write sentences using the words you have listed. We already listed four words. What are they? Clothes, furniture, pots, and pants. So here, using these words, we have to form a sentence. Okay, now first word is clothes. So we have to form a sentence using this clothes. So you all wear new clothes on festival days, right? So we will form it in a sentence and we will write here. See, people wear new clothes on festivals. Yes or no? You all wear new clothes, right? Yes. Now write. See, people wear new clothes on festivals. Right. Yes. Next word is furniture, right? Yes. Furniture means chair, tables, sofa set. It all comes under furniture. So we have to use this word furniture and we have to create a sentence. Okay. Now create something. Write. If you know something, you create yourself and you can write all. Okay. If not, see, look. I'm writing here. You copy it in your book. Furniture. Furniture is made up of what? Yes, wood, right? So furniture is made up of wood. Yes, furniture is made up of wood. Okay. Yes. Next one is pots, right? Yes, pots. When we use this pots, we use in summer season, right? To drink water. The water in the pots is cool or hot? Yes. Water is cool. So we use that pots in summer season. So right here. We use pots mostly in summer season. Yes, see, we use pots mostly in summer season. Yes. Next, pants. Yes, so here the other word is pants, right? Our mom cooks food in some vessels, right? But we make dosa on pan. Yes or no? Yes. So my mother makes dosa on a pan. Yes. By this we have completed this first bit of that vocabulary. Okay. Right. See. Okay, now we have finished vocabulary 1 and 1, right? These two bits. Now here, second bit. See, there are many words that end in either OUS or ABLE. For example, prosperous, honorable. See, there are so many words. Words in the sense group of letters together, right? So there are so many words which ends with C, OUS, ABLE. Yes or no? Prosperous, honorable. See, OUS and ABLE are suffixes. So the letters which comes at the end of the word are called suffixes. So this OUS and ABLE are suffixes. By adding this, and several other suffixes like see, they are also other suffixes which comes at the end of the word. LESS less, MENT ment, NESS ness, FUL full. We can make new words. Okay, by adding these suffixes we can make new words. So example you see, danger plus OUS, it becomes dangerous. COURAGE, courage plus OUS, courageous. Favor plus able, favorable. Remark plus able, remarkable. See, remember in words such as curious, delicious, anxious, the ending OUS is not a suffix. Why? Because see here, danger is a word. When we add OUS, it becomes dangerous. Here, CURA, this is not a word. Curie is not a word. OUS and CURA OUS is a word. It is a word like danger. Okay, and delicious also. Delhi, we can't tell it Delhi. It's delicious. It is a word. Okay, so anxious. These OUS from these words are not suffixes. Now see. Now complete the words using appropriate suffixes. See, taste. Yes, what we can get? Taste. OUS or ABLE, less, meant, full. Yes, tasteful. We can say tasteful, right? Tasteful. Yes, next. End. Endless. Write down. Beauty, we can say beautiful. Yes. Move. Yes, movement. Here, wash, we can get ABLE. So it's washable. It is washable. Work, we can get here workless and also workful. Next, this is, we can get PAY, pay, right? So we can get, which word we can get, which letters we can get, we can attach to it as a suffix. Pavement, we can tell pavement. See, pavement. Next, announce, announcement, there is an announcement. Yes. Then sick, sickness. Hope, hopeful. Search, searchable. Accept, acceptable. Okay. Tasteful, endless, beautiful, movement, washable, workless or workful. Pavement, announcement, sickness, hopeful, searchable, acceptable. Right? Yes. Yes, page number 45. Yeah? Now this third bit you see. Read the following phrase. See this. A dash of salt and pepper. Gopanna used this sentence in the lesson, right? To prepare ganji. Yes, a dash of salt and pepper. Dash means little. Konjam, right? It means a little of water and pepper powder. Yes. A dash is also used in the following expressions. See this. We can use this dash in some sentences also. Like see, a dash of lemon juice, a dash of sugar, a dash of color, a dash of coffee. These phrases are called what? Collocations. What? Collocations. Now read the phrases given in the first column and tick it in the appropriate box, and the words that will collocate or go together with each phrase. Here we have few words, few phrases. So we have to tick to that word which suits to this collocation. See. Here already one is done. A pinch of salt. A pinch of salt. Here a bunch of, yes, sugar, salt, flour, sticks, honey. Which word suits it? A bunch of, yes, a bunch of flowers. Tick here, flowers, second one. Then a bundle of what? Sugar? No. Salt, already we have done. Flowers, sticks, honey. Yes, sticks. A bundle of sticks. Next, a lot. A lot of. Yes, sugar. Then, a spoonful of honey. Yes. Now, based on the collocations you have made, frame sentences using them. One is done for you. Now, using these collocations, we have to frame the sentence using these words. So, one is done for us. See, a spoonful of honey. Radha takes a spoonful of honey every. Okay, a spoonful of honey every morning. We already have a example here, right? Have an example here. So next phrase we have to take a pinch of salt. Okay, right here. A pinch of salt. Okay, now we have to write sentence using a pinch of salt. Now, see, adding a pinch of salt in sweets make them tastier. See, it is an example. Okay, pinch of salt. Adding a pinch of salt. If we add a pinch of salt in sweets, what happens? Yes, that pinch of salt makes sweets tastier. Yes. Now second one we have a bunch of flowers. See, right here, bunch of flowers. Now we have to add. We have to write an example. Okay. Yes, bunch of flowers means so many number of flowers. Then we find a bunch of flowers in bouquet. Bouquet. Yes, we find a bunch of flowers in bouquet. Next one, a bundle of sticks. Right. Bundle of sticks. Yes. What we can say? Form a sentence. Okay. Bundle of sticks means we can bring bundle of sticks from forest. So we can write, my father brought a bundle of sticks from where? Forest. 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 My father brought a bundle of sticks from forest. Yes, next one, last one, we have a lot of sugar. See, lot, of sugar, sugar. Yes, we require a lot of sugar in sweets, right? Sweets are made up of sugar. So we can write a lot of sugar is required. Required in sweets. Yes. See, Children, while I am writing, you look into your textbook and you too write them, okay? Later, I will send you pics of this, okay? But you write them. If you don't understand, later I'll send few pics in your group, okay? See, a pinch of salt. Adding a pinch of salt in sweets make them tastier. Tastier. Next, a bunch of flowers. We find a bunch of flowers in bouquet. A bundle of sticks. My father brought a bundle of sticks from forest. A lot of sugar. A lot of sugar is required in sweets.